How to pay mortgage with Bilt credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be demonstrating on how to make a mortgage payment using your Bilt credit card. So although directly paying with your Bilt credit card is not typically an option, as most mortgage services do not accept a credit card, there are alternative solutions available. Many mortgage lenders and services lack the infrastructure to process the credit card payments, often geared towards the debit card transactions or the bank transfers. To circumvent this limitation, you can utilize a third-party payment service like the Plastic. This service enables you to utilize your credit card for the mortgage payments, albeit with a fee of approximately 2.9%, and it is really important to note that this fee may offset any rewards earned on your credit card, potentially making it a less favorable choice. While this method may not be a direct route to paying a mortgage with a credit card, it remains one of the few options available. If you find the 2.9 fee unacceptable, then this approach may not be feasible for you. Nevertheless, I trust you gleaned value from this instructional video, so thank you for watching. See you in the next one.